Alright, so we got a model we're working with, and the first thing we want to do is just zero the part to the world coordinate system. So what I normally do is just create a new job, let it find its stock, I click this keep bounding, I say OK, and now that gives you points you can reference from on all the extremities of the part. So we can move it to wherever we want. I'm just going to move it to center, so we're going to do translate, select all, I'm going to say pick, I'm going to grab that position, end is going to be 0, we say OK and cancel. Alright, so that moves the part on center, and I'm just going to delete my job from here. And then if I want to get rid of that wireframe, either I can blank it out, or I can go to select, turn off the different geometry, select points and lines, window pick, delete, and that's how we zero our part and get rid of the bounding geometry.